Hello there, it's Skywilly, and today I would like to show you how I replaced a missing page in a manga. This manga doesn't belong to me, I borrowed it at the library. It's from the Detective Conan or Case Closed series, and I was reading this chapter when I noticed something weird. A page was missing. Looking at the spine of the book, it seems it has already been repaired before, so I'm assuming it must be around that time that the page just peeled off and vanished. A broken chapter is just too sad, so let's fix this. The first thing I do is measure the size of the page. To do that, I insert a sheet of paper inside a manga, and then I trace around it. I found the scans of the page on a manga scan website, Sushi Scan, I believe. When I thought about this process, I did consider drawing the page myself, using the scan as a reference picture, because I like drawing, but it would have been quite long and tedious, and most importantly, I can't really write small enough with my handwriting to fit all the dialogue in the speech bubble while keeping it easy to read. So I took the easy option of just printing the page instead. I trace my page outline from earlier on a standard A4 sheet of paper and then scan it to get the template on my computer. This will help me print the page at the right scale. So I place the first page on my template, resizing it to fit the box I drew. And I do the same with the second page, but I flip it upside down, so that when I print it on the other side of the page, it will be the right side up. Now that the page is printed, I need to trim the edges. Unfortunately, my blade isn't very sharp, my ruler not very flat, and my fine motor skills leave to be desired. As a result, my cuts are quite messy, so I switch back to using just regular scissors. Once it's properly trimmed, I also round off the corners of the page. Now what I have left to do is glue the page inside the book. I apply PVA glue on the inner edge of the paper with a brush, trying really hard to not make a mess. I place a sheet of plastic inside the book almost all the way in. Then I insert the page with the glue, and then another sheet of plastic on top. I'm hoping the plastic will prevent the pages from sticking together in case the glue would smudge. Next, I'm closing the manga and putting something heavy on top. Here it is! The glue has dried and the page seems well stuck in place. The fold looks mostly clean with very minimal glue spilling. You can definitely tell it's not the original page because of the paper color and also the printing quality. But it is readable, which was the main point of this repair, and the page doesn't seem to come off when I pull lightly on it. So it's a success. The next person who will read this manga will get the full chapter, which will make much more sense. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful in some way. Have a nice day. Bye!